very unfortunate. Our brother Hirenjoy Kaklari, he has shed his blood for the protection of his sisters. So the incident has not been, first time. The incident has been happening here. That especially the tribal youths and the tribal girls has been harassed everywhere in Assam. So we like to appeal to the state government, especially our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam. The culprit should be, brought to book, and he should be hanged to death. Because we have special, a kind of justice that is through the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Through this act, a non-tribal person, if a non-tribal person harass or kill or murder someone or rape someone, the victim, he should get a compensation from the government. And now through this act, the culprit, the person who murdered our brother Hirenjoy Kaklari, he should be hanged to death, and the justice must be done, and the special compensation must be given to this family and to the rape victims. And we don't want to see such kinds of incidents anymore in Assam, because in Assam we would like to live in peace, in a harmony with all the communities living here.